Excuse me. Strawberry ice cream, please.
Wait. One in a cup.
Wow, thank you.
Where's my money?
Money? How much?
$30.
$30? Mahal na ba ng ice cream, oy? Oh. Excuse me, pwede ba mag-order?
Oh, close na kami.
Excuse me, Doc. Pwede ba pa-check up?
Yes. What happened? Mrs. Neck? Neck, you should open it. Wait. Sakit daw?
Sakit na yung pet ko talaga.
Okay, just wait lang.
Excuse me, Doc. How's my pet?
Kailangan pa i-check up. May basta check. Good. Tapos.
Ha?
Just wait.
Thank you. Okay na siya?
Apa.
Thank you.
Okay, wait lang po. Okay niya. It will not fit.
It will not fit? It's okay. I want a topping.
Ay,